Welcome back. You are watching Primetime English Bulletin on SKTV. Now proceeding with other news. Manipur University of Culture MUC campus is unlikely to meet the government's August 11 completion deadline as construction work on the ground shows no signs of accelerating. A major obstacle is the deplorable condition of the access road, which makes it very difficult to transport construction materials to the site on time. The 31.18 crore rupees project is being built across 118 acres of land, with the Manipur Minorities and OBC Economic Development Society handling the work. Although the government previously promised to finish construction and hand the campus over to the public by August 11, the reality on site remains unchanged. SKTV has a detailed report on this situation. Meanwhile, MUC Vice-Chancellor Professor Paunam Gunindro highlighted the profound significance of the university. He explained that it is one of the only 3 cultural universities in India, alongside those in Odisha and Assam. While noting that the universities in Odisha and Assam are already full operational, Professor Gunindro stated that efforts are underway to complete the permanent MUC campus at Wakha. He further emphasized that several cultural departments are currently offered through 3 recognized institutions, namely Vishnu Cultural Research and Training Center, Kha Manipur Hindustani Sangeet Kala Vidyaloy, and Government Dance College. Gunindro also highlighted plans to open a new cultural college soon, noting that many students are already enrolled in MUC, which was established under the Manipur University of Culture Act 2015. The Vice-Chancellor expressed hope that the university will run smoothly, holding regular classes across all 11 departments once the Wakha campus construction is completed. He also emphasized that building student hostels at the new campus is absolutely vital.
I know that Nigeria is Imphal district ki porumba PS na porumba Wakha ri mafam adudani aphagi Manipur lengat ki makhada aphagi afam masida aphagi changka chagaliba Manipur University of Culture asi aphagi haukiba chahi 2025 ki February thadagi changka chagatpa horkiba adu hatak lagliba chahi asigi August tha phawagi manungda loisinduna miyamda khusinnaba target thamlabaju ngasi phawada university asi loisinbagi mami tadri
Apunba ekar samaga taranipanda punna lupa crore kuntramathoi lakh taranipan changna sangbat sagat kadaba Manipur University of Culture ge project asi lambi thong ningthina chatpa yadabana project asi sangbat sagatpada sangadaba polamsing matam chana puthokposin tawba ngamdabadagi mafam aduda thabak suriba mioisingna kunmang sauksina thabak suba ngamdre Manipur Minorities and OBC Economic Development Society MOBETS Manipurna implementing agency oiduna sangbat sagaliba university asi mamang sahi lising ani kunmanga ge February tarani thoidagi hauduna satliba sahi asigi August 13 phawada sabalu silaga miyamda sinagani haibu wafam laikrabasu project asi mapung phana sangbat Loidre. Hiramasi Gamari Lenana University as Vice Chancellor Oriba, Professor Paunam Gunindroga Hakten and Unarubada, India Pumada Leriba, University Singi Manunda, Cultural University Ahum Kaktane, Cultural University as Urishada Ahan Boina, Hangdokaba Matung, Asamamadi Manipurda, Hangdona Bahonaduna Laki, Aduboinamag, State Ani, Urisha Amadi, Assam Dadi, University as Ningtina Salaiba Hokre. Adubu Manipuri oinasu atuba matamda Imphal East District ki Wakhada nauna sagali basi thabak hobang ngamnaba angamba thakta honaduna lakle University asina masak khangaba Vishnu and Cultural Research Training Center Kha Manipur Hindustani Sangeet Kala Vidyalay amadi Government Dance College ta lamdamasigi culture gi oiba department kya hangdoktuna leire masida natana anauba Cultural College amasu hangdona bohonare Manipur University of Culture Act 2015 gi makada salaiba horakibane haina su phongdorkle
Luri wafam di mayam lambi du ubiram neba. University je phana bhajan siyam gasu lambi sidi hujiki university taba lambi se masi develop tawdna masi siyam dragadi akoina thabak chal loisin mangam neba adu official sing non teaching staff hai tare si jo koina ayamba casual ta tawba korpa adu anu sarkar sina ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯊꯋꯥꯏ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯂꯩꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯟꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯏꯟꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯛꯁꯟ ꯄꯤꯗꯅ ꯈꯣꯠꯇꯅ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯄꯥꯏꯈꯠꯂꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ
Manipur University of Culture asi matamgi matungina mahiroi kya ama university asida tamnaba sanglakli adubu university asigi oiba sapsaba mafam leitabana tuan mafam kya mahiroi sing adubu takpi tambiduna lakli Lainga asina nauna semgat sagaliba wakhagi university asi athubada losilabadi laigidaba department taramathoi haibadi thangta umanglai harauba dance music sankirtana theater visual arts tribal studies cultural studies English amadi Manipuri da ningthina mahi tambiba ngamlagani University asida mahi tamba lakadoriba mahiroi singi khudong sanaba mafam asida hostel amasu sabiba tangai fade hainasu mahna makha na phongdokhi
Langakna university asia hatak asida loisangani haibagi chap chaba hogi miyam da phongdokhiba leirabasu university asibu semgat sagatpada lakadoba lambi gi thong hojik mafam asi phattabana marab oiga mafam asida thabak suriba simisingna sijan nagadaba pothok sing pothok puchin tawbagi awaba amachu chawna mai abadan natna hajaraba mafam mamu oigidaba arts and culture bu hogi nungthina semgat sagatpa loirba matangda miyam da khusin nagadaba chahi asi maktadi ngamra haibagi jingnaba aduni lamdam asibu malengi mafamda saktak leba lamdam asigi arts and culture bu yokhatnaba honabada Manipur lengangna lawriba thawdang sing asi ahenba miyang changbiduna amuk henna ko university je phajaba mongda indagi oina khogi hojik lairiba university ahum asigi manungda ahenba phajaba university mo henduna lamdam asigi arts and culture bu chakhatnaba honabada lamdam asida lairiba miyam amadi mapi mapa oiba singna ahenba miyang changbi haina miyamna pamnari maram aduna hiram asigi matangda paudam jariba Kumar Rongthombam video journalist SKTV Wakha